My name is James Xia. I'm in AlloyX Group, in charge of the payment service part. AlloyX is a Nasdaq listed company. It's integrated the stablecoin and the fiat, the traditional finance, to provide the infrastructure for the companies and also the individuals. I think we have very close relationship. We found secure and also trusted ways to provide our real yield product services to the individual and to the companies through the digital asset exchange market. For example, we have get the BitGo's support to provide the secured custody services for the AlloyX asset, and then the KuCoin, another digital exchange service provider, they can use this for the staking, to provide a short or middle-term loan to them, as well as they can gain the asset from the yield from this AlloyX. This is AlloyX is also a market money fund to the US dollar market. So the people, they feel trust and they can get additional value. I think first of all, I think it's the compliant. It's fully compliant to the regulators. This is very important. The second is I think it's the technology make it a very secure process. I haven't heard any of the major breach of our BitGo's the wallet custody. It is I think it is great for them. And then the third thing is BitGo have a very good services. It's a comprehensive ecosystem to provide all the things, not only the custody, but also the settlement, and also to support the staking for the the DeFi services as well.